Revolutionize your garage flooring with the professionals at Armor Garage. The quality and durability of their coatings is unmatched throughout the industry, outlasting anything else on the market. With other coating kits, you'll find yourself spending far more time and money than you need to, all for a finish that just can't compare and won't last. Their garage flooring kits contain everything you need to do the complete job. Choose from 19 epoxy and chip color combinations, or make your own custom combination. They understand how complicated buying epoxy paint is for your garage. It's nothing like getting a can of paint for your walls. Thankfully, they're more than happy to provide you with the resources and guidance you need to remodel your flooring. Looking for more than epoxy flooring? Check out our PVC garage floor tiles and rubber flooring mats. Their products are offered across the nation, and most items include free shipping. The best garage flooring kits in the industry are just a click away. Transform your space today by visiting armorgarage.com or call 866-532-3979 today.